I'm Yvonna and I wanted to talk to you about how to choose the right pendulum. Or does your pendulum choose you? Something to think about, right? So basically, I run a lot of workshops about pendulums, and the main thing that people want to know prior to the workshop is, how do I get the right pendulum? What if it doesn't work? That type of stuff. So if you have an intention to go and buy a pendulum, usually you choose a shop and you go into that shop. Usually you find the pendulum section, you go and have a look at the pendulums, and while you're there, one of them may jump out. So is it that you choose the pendulum, or is it that the pendulum chooses you? Have a look at any shops, Google the shops, even buy online. If there's a shop online and you really like their pendulums, go for it. It doesn't matter where you get it from, as long as it speaks to you, because that's when you know you can work together. The other thing is, do you have to choose a crystal one? Do you want to choose a metal one? Do you want to choose a multicolored one? Don't know. Sometimes you get the really pretty ones with the 7 different colors for the 7 different chakras. So they're quite nice. Personally, my pendulum got given to me by a couple of friends who taught me the beginnings of dowsing. Thank you, Dawn. My pendulum is a metal one, and it works for anything because I decide I want to work with it. So, does it matter if you get a crystal one or a metal one? Does it matter for the type of work that you do? I don't think it does. As long as you choose your pendulum and your pendulum chooses you to work with, perfect, you'll be working together. It doesn't matter if there's a special belief attached to what type of pendulum that you need to get. It doesn't matter whatsoever. So go to a shop, go to an online shop, that doesn't matter either. As long as you feel with your intuition that you and your pendulum are going to work together, that's all that matters really. So have a think about that. Have a think about what type of pendulum in your head. What type of pendulum do I want to buy? What kind of pendulum would speak to me? And where am I going to buy it? And it will come to you. Just trust your inner guidance. Trust your inner wisdom. It's all good. And then in the next video, I will explain if you need to cleanse your pendulum and how to start working with your pendulum. So go out there, go and get yourself a pendulum and get started with the yes and no questions. Have a good day.